Hello fellow YouTubers. Today I'm going to be performing a straight suction oatmeal test with two classic canisters. First up and running is this older Eureka 500 series canister, and secondly a Hoover Celebrity canister. Both straight suction, and both have about the same amount of dirt in each bag. I know you vacuum fans have probably seen a lot of oatmeal and other debris tests shown on YouTube, but I thought I would do one straight suction. A lot of them I've seen have been with uprights, but I figured I might do one straight suction. So let's start off with the Eureka. Get the camera. Well, it sounds like the bearings need to be oiled or greased. And now second, the Hoover Celebrity. Well, that was certainly a challenge for the Hoover Celebrity. I want to say the Eureka 500 series canister won hands down. Many less passes to pick up that oatmeal than the Hoover Celebrity. I had to go over it several times because it was spitting it out through the ruck nozzle. Far such more than the Eureka canister. I want to say between the two, the Eureka won hands down. I'm a fan of both, but Eureka more, and especially these old style metal canisters. I've always been a fan of them ever since I was young. My mother had one and grandmother had one, and they're just like the best. You can't kill them, although that motor seems like the bearings need greased or new ones. I have to take that apart, but yeah, between the two I want to say the Eureka won. So alright, well, stay tuned for more.